Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the MergeSort algorithm. This is one of the most efficient sorting algorithms, and we're going to implement it using Python. So, without further ado, let's get started. MergeSort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It divides the input array into two halves, calls itself for the two halves, and then merges the two sorted halves. The MergeSort algorithm can be broken down into three main steps. 1. Divide the array into two halves. 2. Recursively sort each half. 3. Merge the two sorted halves back together. The main advantage of MergeSort is its time complexity. It guarantees a time complexity of n log n, for all cases, which makes it very efficient for large datasets. Let's move on to the implementation. Here's the complete code for the MergeSort algorithm in Python. We'll go through it step by step. First, we define our merge_sort function. This function takes an array as input. If the length of the array is greater than 1, we split the array into two halves. We use integer division to find the middle index. Next, we recursively call merge_sort on each half. After sorting both halves, we merge them back together. We use three pointers, I, j, and k. I and j track the current index of the left and right halves, while k tracks the index of the original array. We compare elements from the left and right halves and place the smaller element into the original array. This continues until all elements from both halves are merged. Finally, we handle any remaining elements in the left and right halves. And that's it. Our merge_sort function returns the sorted array. Now, let's see it in action with an example array. We'll use an example array, 12, 11, 13, 5, 6, 7. We print the given array and then call our merge_sort function. As you can see, the sorted array is 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13. And that's how you implement MergeSort in Python. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more programming tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.